how to register CRA account for the first time. Now, for you to have a wider view of what we're currently doing on the process, is what I can recommend you to use is gonna be your laptop or PC. And from there, you just have to access or open up your preferred web browser that you want to use. And on this video, I'm gonna be using Google Chrome. Now, once you have opened up or pull up your browser, just go directly to your search bar and simply type in CRA login. And here, you should be able to see a bunch of options, but what you want to choose is the first result that will take you to canada.ca. And in here, if this is going to be your first time encountering or registering for this type of account, then all I have to do is just scroll down and then just go directly to CRA user ID and password. Now I believe that the specific registration link is going to be on the right side portion, but it's still not yet there. So just once you're here, just go directly to this link that says register if you are a new user, and then you will be redirected again back to that page in which what you want to choose from here is just to go to register for a CRA account. And here you just have to decide what specific registration you would like to go in, and then you just have to gather your documents and then choose your signing options to register with. And that's it. That's how you register with CRA for the first time.